Hi, I'm Apple, your Memorial Planner Advisor. I give you some information bakit mahalaga na pag-usapan natin ang memorial service. Yes po, ang paghahanda sa ating huling hantungan sa panahon na tayo ay tawagin na ng Diyos ng may likha. Nowadays, memorial service is getting more expensive. Kaya dapat, check the situation of your family now in terms of financial stability. Did you know that? Ikaw mismo ang maglulugmok sa pamilya mo at sa nakaka-stress na sitwasyon ng ating buhay kapag hindi mo ito naplano ahead of time. Planning is necessity. You and your family must be taught about this planning. Otherwise, lalo mo lamang ibabaon ang pamilya mo sa panahon na ikaw ay lumisan bigla without proper planning of your memorial service. What if I offer to you a memorial service is the most convenient and can give you peace of mind? This is Everest Memorial Service. We can offer to you your personal funeral plan with providing the best and most comprehensive funeral service at the least possible price. And not only reasonable and affordable price, but it has life insurance protection in case of death of the plan holder. The family will receive cash benefits. Interesting, di ba? How to apply Memorial and Everest? Very simple. Easy to apply. Simple application wherever you are.
Kabayan, don't leave your family broken. I have an example here at age of 41. Face amount 200,000 pesos. Mode of payment quarterly. Paying period 5 years to pay. A premium only 3,838. On your first payment, you need to add 500 as a policy fee. And your daily savings for you to have a good funeral service, less than 40 pesos a day. Sa 40 pesos daily na pagsisave mo, you will leave your loved ones with peace of mind. They will cry it because they will miss you so much, but still, your love to your family, mararamdaman nila until the last moment. Pinadama mo your love and care to your loved ones. Kabayan, para sa memorial plan mo, mangyari lamang po ako na kontakin anytime through Facebook and WhatsApp. Please take action now for you to have a peace of mind.